Hello dears. Welcome to my channel, Storyenglish. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories. Now let's start. Once upon a time, in the vast wilderness of Africa, there lived a magnificent herd of elephants, led by a wise and strong matriarch. The herd roamed freely across the plains, guided by their deep sense of family and community. The matriarch, named Nala, possessed immense wisdom and experience. She led the herd with compassion, ensuring the safety and well-being of each member. Nala understood the importance of unity and cooperation among the elephants, as they relied on each other for protection and survival. One day, a severe drought struck the land, causing water sources to dry up and food to become scarce. The herd faced a great challenge as they searched for sustenance. Nala called upon the elephants to come together and support one another during this difficult time. With Nala's guidance, the elephants formed a strong bond, sharing their limited resources and helping the weaker ones. They traveled long distances, guided by their instincts, until they discovered an oasis hidden deep within the wilderness. The oasis provided them with fresh water and an abundance of vegetation, offering much-needed nourishment. As the herd thrived in their newfound sanctuary, Nala imparted valuable lessons to the younger elephants. She taught them about the importance of empathy, cooperation, and the strength that lies in unity. The young elephants learned to rely on one another and to support the weaker members of the herd. Over time, the drought subsided, and the land began to flourish once again. The herd of elephants, having weathered the storm together, emerged stronger and more resilient than ever before. They continued to roam the vast wilderness, leaving behind a trail of compassion, unity, and a deep understanding of the power of togetherness. The story of the herd of elephants reminds us of the strength that lies within unity and cooperation. It teaches us the value of compassion, empathy, and supporting one another, especially during challenging times. Like the elephants, we can overcome any obstacle when we come together, standing as a united force and caring for those around us. So, let the story of the herd of elephants inspire you to foster unity, compassion, and cooperation in your own life. Embrace the power of togetherness and work hand in hand with others to achieve shared goals and overcome any adversity that comes your way. I hope you found my story interesting. Please like, comment, share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories.